here is how you can blur a specific area on a photo using your iPhone. Let me show you how it would work. If you are new here and first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss the upcoming videos like this one. So of course, blurring is not possible to be done through the built-in Photos app, nor is it part of some other regularly used photo editors. Things like Snapseed do not really support it. So for that, we have to take a special route or approach, and you specifically need to get an app from the App Store, which is designed to blur apps. So you can, photos, right? So you can literally open up the App Store, look up like blur photo into the search, and there are plenty of apps which can get the job done depending on also on your location, but most of the apps will work. Right, so these are apps which basically allow you to import your photos as such, right? So you can see I can download any of them, and then the photo will be part of that application where I can perform some edits to it. And yeah, you perhaps will have to go through a little bit of a setup process. A lot of these apps are likely gonna ask for a subscription, which is not necessary for just a few things. You might run into some ads, right? Because it still doesn't work through the built-in apps. But once you go through all of that, you will have the ability to start using a photo, right? Like import a picture from the gallery, and then you have the blur tools at the bottom. So you can choose that, and you have like the touch blur, effects, face blur, blurring background, and so many other things, right? But if you just tap the touch blur, you can literally use like a brush with your finger and blur stuff out. You can also add the intensity as well as the brightness, right? So you can see we have plenty of things and ways to blur specific area in photos, but as I said, we are going to have to use a third-party app like this one because built-in solutions are simply not good enough. So I really hope I could help. Thanks a lot for watching. Most definitely let me know in the comments below what you think and if it worked for you too. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the next videos too.